Hi, I'm Tom.
And I'm Suzanne. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to go on a hike and take you to Layer Cake Mountain in Scenic Canyon Regional Park in Kelowna. When you look at the mountainside from a distance, you can actually see different layers. So that's the name Layer Cake Mountain. It looks exactly like a layer cake.
This hike is approximately 20 minutes from where you've parked the vehicle. It's, I would say, more of a moderate to maybe even difficult because of the terrain. So most people would find it okay. And once you reach the height of Layer Cake Mountain, it offers tremendous views from the city to the city of Kelowna, the canyon floor below. So we hope you enjoy this video today, and please remember to comment down below, give us a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to us and follow us along.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, everyone. Yeah, just makes you want to just go, beautiful view. We're on the top of Layer Cake Mountain in Scenic Canyon Park near Kelowna. You can see Kelowna behind us and Okanagan Lake. In terms of what we're doing, and we thank
No swearing on YouTube.
and we're here.
See, here you go.
We're in. I don't know what I'm saying. Jibber jabber.
We should call our YouTube channel Jibber Jabber.